Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. On this quick tech episode, we're going to show you how to convert from low impedance to high impedance injectors on a Honda Prelude. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get to it. Okay, so I've got my harness here. It's all broke apart because we're doing a wire tuck on the engine. But these are the injector clips right here, all labeled. And the red, every injector wire has a red and black wire going to it, and that's going to be the positive wire. And those run up here to the resistor box, which is located right about there on the driver's side inner fender area. And then the yellow, red, blue, brown, those guys are all the negatives, and they go back to the ECU, and the ECU triggers the injector based on completing the negative circuit. So to convert these from low impedance with the resistor here to high impedance, pretty straightforward. We're just going to go ahead and take all these red and blacks, and we will chop them off right here and pigtail them all together and solder them all together into this yellow and black line, which is a power line. So basically it will power all these wires without making it run through the resistor first. Pretty simple to do, and depending on how clean you want to make it, you could just cut these off right here in the inner fender area and then just solder and tape them up together. Or you could do like we're going to do and run each one of these down and then just incorporate all this into one loom, so it'll kind of all be nice and tight and clean. Okay, so these are the injector power wires, the red and black, that run over to the resistor box. Since I'm converting from low impedance to high impedance, we don't need the resistor box anymore, so we are going to just cut all these reds, splice them together, and then come off of it with this yellow and black, which will go to the ECU. And then we'll just solder that together and heat shrink it all up. Okay, so we've got the wires twisted together. We're going to put a little dab of solder on the iron. And we'll just rub it across the top, and once it actually starts melting on the top, it'll start drawing it into all the wires and locking everything in tight. Jump the heat shrink, slide it up the end, get it over the area, and apply a little heat. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for this quick tech. Pretty simple. If you do want to put some aftermarket injectors in your car in order to get them to high impedance. So that'll be it for this one.